It's very exciting for us to finally reach the point to prepare this video, as it represents a new approach for us providing our dimming products and beyond. In this video, we're going to show our dynamic lighting solution with a diamond display box integrated with our own tunable white LED fixtures. Now, although we use a diamond display box for demonstration, and these customers have good reasons for applying dynamic lighting for their applications, the fixtures served as a good example of how dynamic lighting can make an impact on overall spatial design. This is our dynamic lighting control demo board, and these are our own wall plates, which are solid aluminium alloy plates with a pair of low voltage momentary switches. Now, on each plate, there is a pair of toggle switches for intensity and color temperature adjustment. Besides the toggle switch interface, we also have a push button interface to address different installation and control needs. But in this video, we'll focus on the toggle switch interface. At the back of each wall plate, there is a connector with 5 terminals connecting the low voltage toggle switches from the wall plate to the controller. To fully utilize all the functions with the dual channel toggle switch interface, all the 5 wires are required to be connected. In terms of the cable selection, our suggestions to installers will be using a shielded cable. A STP or shielded Cat6 cable will be handy. Now let's have a look of the controller. This is a dynamic lighting controller. It has the AC connection on one hand and the DC connection on the other end. Now let's actually have a look of the demo board to see about the wiring among the different units. So this is it. This is the demo board as always required for a tunable white application. We can see on the demo board, the AC mains is connected to the controller as the input. And in this case, the phase cut output of the controller is connected to a dimmable LED driver's live input, and the driver's neutral terminal is connected to that of the controller. Now, in terms of the DC connection, the 5 wires from the wall box are connected to the controller's terminals according to the product label. As for most of the tunable white LED fixtures, the red leads are connected to the positive terminal of the LED driver. The yellow and white leads are connected to the warm white and cool white negative terminals of the controller respectively. The LED minus terminal of the dimmable LED driver and the common terminal at the ground from the toggle switches shall be connected together to the common terminal of the controller. Note the wiring from the negative terminal of the driver and the negative terminals of the tunable light source to the controller shall be kept at minimal. If the application only requires dimming control, the wiring will be much easier. Only the AC connection and the dim plus and minus and ground from the toggle switch will be required. Okay, let's see what it can do. Now for this panel, we have the intensity channel connected on the right and the color temperature channel on the left. Now we're adjusting the downlight and the light bar together, increasing the intensity. Now changing the color temperature towards the warm white spectrum. Changing the color temperature towards the cool white spectrum. Currently, we have the 7 watts downlight and 2 15 watts light bars with the color temperature range of 6500K to 2700K CRI 90 connected to the same controller or our demo board. But in a real diamond display box, the control switches can be somewhere up here for easy access. Now on both sides and in the front, we have also installed our tunable white LED strips with 7800K to 2200K CRI 980, which is a typical configuration Diamond's display application. Currently, the strips are connected to yet another controller, but we can see what changes that it doesn't make to the overall impact. Adjusting the warm white and cool white. Now, in terms of the color temperature range available, it will be subject to the tunable white LED fixtures used. Roughly speaking, we have two types of color temperature ranges covering the 6500K to 2700K and the 4000K to 1800K for different applications. Now that we have shown the dynamic lighting effects, let's quickly show all the functions available before we leave. Light on off. Double-click the intensity switch will switch off the light. Any up-down movement with either switch will switch on the light. Final range adjustment. Each movement adjusts the parameter in the minimum step, and holding the button speeds up the adjustment. So the suggestion is to hold the switch to reach the desired range first, then to define the adjustment. Full intensity. Double-click the intensity switch in upward direction as the full intensity. Similarly, double-click the color temperature switch to trigger the warm white, and doing it in the upward direction, trigger the cool white. Now, besides what we have shown, the controller also supports customized minimum intensity setting, preferred warm white and preferred cool white color temperature setting. All the memory settings can be changed in real time and by the two toggle switches, which we'll continue to show in another video. Now, to keep our introduction video short, let's call it here. And to learn more about dimming technology and product benefits, please check out other videos in the series. And once again, thank you for watching.